If you want to make your Shopify store look more professional and user-friendly, one of the best things you can do is make your image banner clickable. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, in the easiest way possible. By the end, your banner will link directly to any product or page you choose, helping your customers navigate your store more smoothly and boosting your conversions. Let's get started. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store and then choose Themes. This is where we'll be making the changes. Now, find your active theme. That's the one currently live on your store. And click on the three dots next to the Customize button. From the dropdown, select Edit Code. This will open Shopify's built-in code editor. In the search bar at the top left of the editor, type image banner and open the file called imagebanner.liquid. Once the file is open, press Ctrl+A or Command+A on Mac to select all the existing code. Then, head over to pastebin.com where I've uploaded the updated code you'll need. Copy everything from there. Simply highlight the text and press Ctrl+C. Go back to your Shopify code editor and paste the new code over the old one using Ctrl+V. When that's done, click Save in the top right corner. That's going to update your banner section with clickable functionality. After saving, click Exit to leave the code editor and then go back to the Customize section of your theme now. Select the image banner section you want to make clickable. Inside the banner settings, look for an option called Link or Banner Link. Click it and choose where you want your banner to lead. For example, a product page, a collection, or even a custom URL. If you're linking to a product, simply select the product from the list, click Save, and you're done. To test it out, click View Your Store from your Shopify dashboard. Hover over your image banner. Click it, and boom, it should now take you straight to your chosen product or page. And that's it. You've successfully made your Shopify image banner clickable. This small tweak can make a big difference in how your customers explore your store, helping you drive more clicks and sales effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming Shopify tips and full guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.